In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list products on Facebook Marketplace to increase your chances of making a sale. When you create a listing, the first thing buyers notice is your photos, so start there. Use high quality images that are clear and well lit. Show the item from multiple angles so people can quickly understand what they're looking at. It also helps to include close-up shots of important features, and if there are any flaws, show those too. A clean, uncluttered background makes your product stand out and gives your listing a more professional look. Next, write a clear and descriptive title. Your title should include the important words a buyer is likely to search for. Think about the brand, model, size, or condition, and keep it natural and specific. A strong title helps your listing appear in relevant searches and makes it easier for buyers to click on it. After that, provide an honest description. This is where you give buyers the details they need to make a decision. Include information like the brand, model, size, or dimensions, color, condition, age of the item, reason for selling, and what's included. Being honest here is very important because it builds trust, cuts down on unnecessary questions, and helps you avoid problems later. You'll also want to set a competitive price. Take a moment to research similar listings in your area so you can see what comparable items are selling for. Price the item fairly based on its condition. If you're open to offers, mention that the price is negotiable in the description. That small note can encourage more people to reach out. Make sure you choose the correct category for your item. This helps Facebook show your listing to the right audience and improves your visibility in search results. Along with that, add relevant search keywords naturally throughout your listing. Good keywords might include the brand name, model, color, size, material, or condition. Just avoid stuffing in unrelated words because that can make the listing look confusing and less trustworthy. You should also select an accurate location. Use the correct city or pickup area so nearby buyers can find your item easily. Once your listing is live, respond to buyers quickly. Fast replies create confidence and can make the difference between a completed sale and a missed opportunity. If the item doesn't sell right away, keep the listing updated, refresh the photos, improve the title or description, adjust the price if needed, and renew or relist the item when that option is available. Finally, build buyer confidence throughout the process. Be polite and professional, answer questions honestly, disclose any defects upfront, and for local transactions, meet in safe public places. These simple habits can help you attract serious buyers and sell more effectively on Facebook Marketplace.